In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automatic emails in Jira. If you're working with Jira, automating emails can save you a ton of time and ensure that important notifications are sent consistently. Let's dive right into setting this up. To begin, head over to the specific project where you want to establish email automation. Once there, you'll notice 3 dots located next to your project's name. Go ahead and click on these dots, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Project Settings. This section is crucial as it allows you to tailor modifications that are specific to your project needs. Within Project Settings, you'll need to find and click on Automation. Automation in Jira is incredibly powerful as it enables the creation of streamlined processes and workflows. This step is essential for setting up automatic emails. Once you're in the automation section, the next move is to click on Create Rule. By creating a rule, we're defining the parameters that will help us manage our email notifications effectively. Following this, it's time to choose a trigger. This is a pivotal choice because the trigger will determine which event will cause the email to be sent. Perhaps you'd like an email to be dispatched whenever an issue is updated, or maybe when it transitions to a specific status. Select the trigger that aligns best with your requirements. Next up, you need to add a component. Do this by selecting Add an Action. Given our objective, choose the action that allows you to send an email. This action serves as the cornerstone of the email configuration process. Now comes the detailed configuration of the email itself. You'll start by specifying the To field, which involves entering the recipient's email addresses. Here, Jira offers you the flexibility to use user pickers, groups, or even custom fields containing email addresses. Make sure this list is accurately tailored to include all the necessary recipients. Next, focus on the subject line. Remember, this is what appears in the recipient's inbox previews, so ensure it accurately reflects the email's content. Aim for clarity and conciseness. Moving on to the heart of the email, the body text. You have the option to employ smart values such as issue.key or issue.summary. These smart values enhance your email by dynamically incorporating data directly from the Jira issues, ensuring your email content is always up to date. Once you're satisfied with these configurations, proceed by clicking Next. We're almost at the finish line. Now, look for Turn On Rule in the top right corner of the page and click on it. This action activates your new rule. Before concluding, assign a fitting name to your rule that clearly describes its purpose, allowing for easy identification in the future. Additionally, decide who's permitted to edit this rule by choosing options from the available drop-down menu. Once fully satisfied with everything, click on Turn On Rule once more. This final step confirms that your automatic email rule is active and ready to perform. And there you have it. You've successfully set up automatic emails in Jira.